Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can adjust volume when you are recording with Game Bar on Windows 11. So sometimes you want your recording, your voice higher in volume than your game or your system. So you can try to adjust it by click on Windows Start icon and go to the settings. Now you can click gaming. Next, you can click captures. As you can see, this is Game Bar settings, captures for recording setting here, like recording preferences that you can adjust. Here we go. You can click on capture audio when recording game to break down the settings. Here we go. You can adjust the volume of a microphone recording volume and system recording volume. So if you want your voice louder than system or your game, you can adjust it slightly into the higher one. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.